Welcome to my studio. I'm going to show in this video about how I finish projects, actually what kind of process in it, and how I start new things, because I have a lot of ideas or I like a lot of things. So I have the tendency to start things, but I also want to finish. So in 2025, I started with free motion embroidery. It was already very long on my list. I'm very happy that I started. So one of the things that I can tell you, please do the things that you really want to do. Even if you imagine them as when you were a child, just do it, because it gives a lot of fulfillment, or even knowledge, what you like about it or not. Then you can skip it off your list. So I started free motion embroidery. There is a lot of possibilities with it. I am still learning it and I want to continue with it. But I also want another technique that I really want to learn. I did it once in my life, a long time ago, and then I actually stopped. I tried quilting, and my mother said that I should look in the camera, and I noticed that I'm looking on the other side. Okay, so I want to learn another technique this year, and that is quilting. But that's quite a big project, and I want to go into more the art quilts. But when I want to start something new, immediately in my head comes, okay, what do you already have that you still have to finish? So at that moment, I had two things that I wanted to finish. That there was my rug that I made a video before. It's a knotting rug, and it takes me some time. It's already 2 years on my loom. So this year, 2026, and I want really to finish it. And preferable the next coming 3 months. So I commit myself to 2 rows a day, not every day, but like 5 days of the week, 2 rows. If I do 2 rows, then I probably will have it finished. Then I embroidered this, and I'm going to show you in this video what I did with it. And I made a pillow out of it. So that process I will show you shortly. I made this a half year ago. I really like it. It's just something that I do in the evening at the moment, cross-stitching. Just it's relaxing. It's working with colors. I do like to be busy with my hands. That's one thing, and which I do. And I have another pillow. Actually, I have 3 things to finish. I made this one for my sister, free motion embroidery on the machine. That one, I also make a pillow out of it, although my sister and I are talking about different colors, so it will not be for her, but that's fine, no problem. And so if I start something new, I first check myself, are there still things that I need to finish? So at the moment, 2 things or 3 things then, which I will do. Meanwhile, doing it, I'm still allowed to start my big project, because there's also a lot of preparation. So what I already did was changing a little bit my studio. So I turned around my table. I'm now looking at my wall, and my wall is now empty, which is a really great feeling to have an empty spot in my studio. So everything is possible again. So that I really like, and I take with me for the coming time. So I will show you what I did with this. It's a process. I thought I'd show you this. I made the pillowcase with a lovely fabric. I know you don't see it when it's in it, but there is something to it to make the things beautiful also when you don't see it all the time. It's like you have a corner in your garden that you don't see if you are in the middle of your garden or in front of your garden. It's around the corner, and I like that. It's like a note. I saw on YouTube, I don't know the guy anymore, but he makes jeans commission wise, so very special jeans, and he makes notes or he draws something on the pocket inside. So you only see it when you look into the pockets. Who looks into their pockets? So I like that. So I choose for a nice fabric. I made it on the machine. I left a hole open. Where is it? So I turn it around and then I will fill it. And I'm going to fill it, and that is even special, I think. I make the rug that I'm making, that's the last video, is done with wool, hand-spun wool, hand-dyed wool, silk and cotton. And every time I make a knot, I cut it, but I don't throw that away. I throw it in a bucket, and this is going to be my filling. So what I'm going to do is fill this with this. Let me see how I can do it. So it will be a little bit messy. So all the colors. Oh, I hope I have enough. Yeah, the rug is not finished yet. Yeah, we will manage. I still have some to go. I actually manage. Look at that. Do I manage? Let me see. Because I learned one thing is I like it. The cushion that I sleep on, that's something else. But the pillows that I make, or you make like a small pillow where you put your needles in, it's nice that it's firm. Means that's what I like. So I think actually that I don't have enough, which is funny. The finish of this pillow will be connected to the finish of my rug. See? But that's okay. I like it actually. I still have to fill this up. It's too less, but I like it. More reason to continue finishing my rug. All right, that's nice. So this is finished. This is finished. And connected now to my rug. We will see. We will see later. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next video. Thumbs up.